Hey guys, let me show you how I made this custom Christmas ornament coconut salt soap for my customer Ashley. So I started out by going to Michael's and buying one of these clear ornaments. I took it home and I prepared a castor oil coconut salt soak. I mixed everything really well and then I added my lemongrass flakes. For the fragrance, I'm using coconut. I opened the ornament and I placed the salt soak inside. I wound up adding more because I had a lot of space to fill inside the bottle. The salt soak is ready. I'm just going to take a napkin and clean out the top. And then I took a napkin and cleaned off the front. So I tried to fasten the top with tape, which did not work. So I came up with a better idea to fasten it with a bow. And I actually like it a lot better. And this is how it came out. Let me know what you guys think. Would you try this?